too, but only if you my friend. This my friend Cheryl. My sister friend Cheryl. Say hey, Cheryl.
What up, shorty?
You do what it do, Shorty? What it do, Shorty? We is on our way to Cracker Barrel. And we gonna get some eat on. We're gonna bring y'all with us. We ain't going up in here and eating a whole bunch of food. Yep. We just going in here just to get our hunger. What they say, eat to live, not live to eat.
That's it.
That's what we gonna do. I can't wait till they call me to. Oh, that is too cute. I like it. Let me see the low back. I didn't see it. Oh no, that there I like. Oh, look at the back.
I made it. I ain't even got none.
What size they got? He waving. Oh look, where you going? Yeah, no, we inside a Cracker Barrel. What you think?
Get your hand off.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that would be long enough. Cause you holding it up.
Oh, how long is it? Is it long? I want it long. That's it. He said 10 minutes. Okay, bye-bye. Stupid.
But men can't. They can't. I like this material.
Let me see. Okay, let me feel it.
I ain't crazy about this.
Oh no, I don't care for. Oh, the material I do love.
That's great.
Oh wow, that is cute, Cheryl.
Like the shoe go with it.
That'll work.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a butterfly. What? I didn't even pay that no mind. What's that? Oh, granddaughter. Oh, wow. Amazing Grace. What's that other song? It's Amazing Grace. So always be. Yeah, I love that song. It's a shirt for you with some leggings, some knickerbockers or something. With some little tights, or it could be, no, that's a dress. Yeah. I do like it, yeah.
I smell it. Sometimes I like it. Sometimes I'll be like, oh.
I think that's what it is. Like when I first smelled it, I didn't care, but the more I smell it, the more I like it. It's got like a earthy. Sometimes it smells earthy stuff. That's me too.
I don't like this. I don't do Subway.
I don't do Subway either. Well, wait a minute. Who giving you all them cards?
Sometimes that's all I ask for. They don't have to give me a gift. Give me a gift card. If I want to go out and eat.
You know that makes good darn sense. Now, what we need to do is figure out when we're going to use that Red Lobster. That's what we need to do. Oh, that was so good. Yeah. These are grandma biscuits. Saturday, Mommy has that walkathon in Georgetown. Something about it's a pregnancy center that's against pregnancy center against abortions. Remember, I said it was a store like that in Salisbury. That's not what it was.
Remember, I never know it was nowhere in there.
Yeah, I like that store.
I ain't been in there in a
I
while.
go in there and just walk. I mean, look around sometimes. Again, I really enjoy the jazz thing. That was nice. It seemed like it would be somewhere like around here. You know, like around.
They're everywhere. When they have that weekend, they at Rusty Rudder, they some other restaurant.
I would love to go back there.
Restaurants I want to. I said, me and Kirsten, we get ready to come out and eat.
We need
and
to
try all these different restaurants.
Thank you.
Here.
We need to. This place is too big.
Down here. I want to go in. Stay down a little bit.
Like you got to go. It don't have to be expensive. If you don't do nothing, but just go and sit and drink some tea or something, coffee. Mommy took us to that. What's that steakhouse?
I seen y'all went to Ruth's Christie's.
Yeah, you ever been there?
But it's one down local.
Where?
Somewhere down there. I think down them said it.
A Ruth's Chris?
I think so.
I like the fact that when I first initially went in there, I'm thinking we're gonna have to pay like $100 a plate. It ain't even like that. Hang around who you want to be. Them darn biscuits was good. I mean, both of these they think they're good. Depending on how they taste. They taste like apple pie.
They taste good to me.
Oh, they taste like apple pie.
I remember my mom used to make fried apples.
They're good.
Every time I come here. Lord, I never have had no hot flash.
Oh man. $130.
I ain't worried about $130 for this mess. You get ready to get back to them.
We should eat it all. And then eat it all and then tell them it wasn't good. We didn't like it. And that's solar address?
Yeah. Look, I'm going to make it whole fall. If this might be the same one I got home, it'll hold it.
Well, why are you getting another one?
Because the one I got home broke.
Security. Security. We got somebody opening up boxes.
I ain't opening it. I'm just looking inside. You want to go come in about?
Because they call you Big Papa.
You don't call me Big Papa. You call me Big Papa.
He got Papa on his shirt. Your hands in the air.
I'm going to some work. I'm going to some work.
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
Come on,
After you Okay, I'll pull in the back and I'll load it up for you.
Okay, well, we're going to walk around.
Yeah, take your time whenever you're ready. They'll call us in the back.
Okay.
Yeah, they'll call.
See, Big Papa.
Have a good one.
He's trying to keep it professional.
Yes.
By the way, my name's Tracy, but my friends call me Willie.
Call you Willie?
You can call me Willie because you're a friend now.
Aw, well thank you.
What, pepper?
Yeah.
They should have the seasonings somewhere around here.
I bought me some Obey hot sauce.
Oh, yeah, I got Obey hot sauce. I got some of this at the house. I use it every now and then. Yeah, I use it every now. Oh, they got a ghost berry blueberry. Ghost pepper blueberry. What you think about that? It ain't considered the hottest.
I know, I don't know if I want that. Sweet, hot. I guess it would be alright. That'd be a card, taste card.
There go the balsamic vinaigrette. Is this garlic salt? Garlic sea salt. That seemed like that might would be nice. I should grab it. I don't like grab the first one. You see anything with the peppers?
That do look good.
They do. I'm gonna try it. What's that? Refrigerated storage bin?
Tomato.
Does it work?
Well, for whatever you want to put in it.
Oh, that's what we need right here.
Well, this one's $1 like just like this almost.
It's only $4 for the same thing.
Well, it ain't exactly like that, but
Look.
it's $1. What I got is $1.
Does it work?
Yeah, all you do is put the paper towels on it.
Do it fall when you
No.
pull paper towels off? Alright, Dollar
Well, if
Tree
you
then.
want the $5, get
No, we
$5.
can get the truck. Why you got
Because
me?
I want this. Mine wouldn't.
I got a wooden one, but I don't like the way it fits in my drawer. I need that for when I go to the crab and clam bake.
Yeah.
Oh look, it works. Oh shoot, that's a good fan there.
Oh yeah, see, you use that for your hot flashes. You need that for everything.
Oh, I might have to keep this in
Yeah,
my
you gotta get
pocketbook.
Kylie one.
So, I'm gonna get one.
When she see it, what's she gonna say?
Could Tracy give me one too?
Come on.
That's cute.
We gonna have to do a night run. This bar pit, you don't never use it.
Yeah, we gotta get a new one. So
Put out the rest of those. Put that
but the whole bottom, I need to throw it away.
that thing up there.
It's nice and sturdy too.
It looks like what? I be thinking about that.
You get what you found for? Huh? You got what you looking for? Oh, okay. Yeah.
It smells good too.
Oh, does it? Let me smell it. Oh, that smells good. I like that.
Oh Lord. I guess we done now. Oh, we gotta go act.
We gotta go in the back and get your gear first, your stuff.
I'm gonna go there and then she won't go act me.
Throw your hands in the air. Throw your hands in the air.
Hey, boy, this Craig from Brooklyn Friday. Y'all remember this Friday? This Craig right here.
She can make me come do work. She actually
pull in there on your
It don't matter.
But it ain't gonna be at your house.
No, go ahead and stop by there. And be like, hey, it's Tracy and tell her Big Papa.
See, look, you better start something.
See, that ain't crazy.